Welcome back to our channel. There are tons of meme coins in the market right now, but not all of them are worth your time. Floki Inu, though, it's standing out in 2025. Floki's been around since 2023, and while it hit a new all-time high in 2024, it didn't explode like some newer meme coins. But that might be about to change. Recently, Floki has seen a price dip, just like most meme coins since October. But experts believe that if Bitcoin rallies, Floki could ride the wave and surge again in the next 2 to 3 months. So the big question, can Floki hit 1 rupee in 2025? Some analysts say yes, it's more likely than PEP or Shiba because Floki is already priced higher and has more momentum. As for hitting $1, that's a longer shot. It could take 3 to 5 years and would require a massive bull market, possibly driven by major global events. The short term? Watch Bitcoin closely. If sentiment shifts, Floki might start trending up fast. But always remember, this isn't financial advice. Before investing in Floki or any crypto, do your own research and understand the risks. If you're watching Floki like we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll keep you updated with every major move.